Yo, what is up everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add Snapchat filters to your existing photo. So basically by that I mean if you guys want to add filter to your normal photo which you clicked by using your phone camera, not your Snapchat camera, then how you guys can add filters to it. Now let's start the video, and yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do that. Before I start the video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and let's start the video without any further ado. So first thing first, open Snapchat. Now I'm gonna make it clear the filter which you can add are pretty limited. You cannot add all those kind of filter which you see over here. Let me show it to you guys. If you are trying to add the filter which you see over here, like your lens over here, then you cannot add these kind of filter, because remember these are called the lens, and for your lens you need to use your Snapchat camera to click photo like this. Okay, so these are lens. Now the filter which you can add to your existing photo is, let me show you first. Get the photo from your gallery. For that you can click on this button over here. Once you click on this button, your memories opens up, and on your memory you can click on camera roll at the top. Once you click on camera roll, all the photos and videos on your phone will be displayed. So let's say I want to add filter to this photo. I can click on it, and I can click on this three dot, and I can click on edit snap over here. Once I'm on edit snap, I can scroll to the right for a filter, like a bright filter, right again for this filter, again and again. These are all the filter you can use. These are limited ones, as I told you, because you cannot add puppy filter or those filter to the photo which you have already clicked. You can only add these filters, or you can also add text over here by clicking on T, and you can add some other kind of stickers over here by clicking on this and searching for the sticker over here. So let's say I want to add this sticker. You can add it over here, and I can send it to whoever person I want. If I click on this button over here and click on whoever friend I want, so let's say I want to send it to him, I can click on his name and click on this button and send it to him. So that's basically how you guys can add Snapchat filter to existing photo. You cannot add like the lens kind of stuff. You can only add limited filters. But if you guys want to add other kind of filters, you can use other photo editing software which you can download from Play Store or App Store, like InShot, for example, InShot. So yeah, these are the ways you can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day. Bye bye and peace out.